guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz. We got another pickup, and if you can't tell by the box, we got a pair of Vans, not just any Vans. We got the new UltraRange EXO in red. Before we open the box, let's go to the specs. We've got a UK size 7.5, a US 8.5 men's, and a US 10 in women's, and there's a European 41. For those that don't know, the UltraRange is Vans' shoe that is catered for their surfers, or not their surfers, I mean surfers in general, for like long journeys that they experience in the heat just before they jump onto their board. And just a disclaimer, these do come untied, so we did tie these trainers just before we opened, before I opened the box right now. So if you're expecting laces that are tied to such incredible detail, you have to do it yourself. Right off the bat, you've got that old school flavor, you know. Vans old school is probably the most recognizable shoe on the planet Earth. Everyone's got a pair, the black and white versions, so obviously this takes some styling from it with the upper and that stripe. But let's go into the outsole first. So in the outsole, it's not the typical waffle like rubber outsole that you get with a pair of Vans. It's more grippy, it's nice rubber grip, great for obviously those long journeys, walking and really like wet rocky areas. And this is Vans' Ultra Cush technology. It's an EVA made midsole, very spongy, not like the normal midsoles that you get from Vans. Obviously this is an EVA one, synthetically made. It's a synthetic copper as well. It's breathable, designed as I mentioned for surfers, so they're often in hot countries, their feet need to breathe. What we're used to, like canvas uppers from Vans, is really refreshing for them to, in their new like trainers, their new lines, their new ranges, to have like a synthetic upper, nylon, not like a suede toe box. They've got pull tabs here on the tongue as well. Got the nice hit of Vans on the tongue as well, and on the pull tab it says UltraRange. And obviously you've got that Vans off the wall back tab. The inner, let's just get this open, because the tongue is a bit thin, it incorporates like a booty tech that you get in the sock liners. And the midsole as well is EVA. Well, it's not EVA, not the midsole, sorry, the insole is really soft. I mean, these were designed, like Vans were made for skating. They've taken it to more surfers. I doubt surfers would actually wear this. Mostly surfers go barefoot. If you surf, let me know what you do when you surf, if you wear shoes or not. I'm not into surfing. Like, I live in London, there's no beaches here. But as a out and out shoe to wear, it's really stylish. It's very lightweight. I bet like the cushion, the Ultra Cush, was designed for like long walks. So I can only expect that you can use this in like an urban environment as well, like any shoe. And I can't wait to try these on. It's going to be new to me because I'm so used to wearing skate Vans. Let's do this. First things, as soon as I tried it on, it was quite easy to get on with like the booty sock liner tech. Not like a typical Vans slip on. Well, it's like just getting a normal pair of Vans on. Really, it's really comfy. Not gonna lie. So those surfers that are wearing it, they can count on a good pair of shoes that will be really comfortable. It's really lightweight as well, which is interesting because I'm so used to like heavy, like Vans. Vans being, I mean, they're comfy. Vans are really soft, especially the insole. But it's really light. It's like wearing a pair of running trainers. But it's so weird to see like the Vans old school stripe as well. Obviously, it's black in this one. Obviously, this is the inspiration for that shoe. Really breathable. I'm not gonna lie as well. Like I mentioned, I can see why surfers would wear it. I mean, if this was designed for to wear, I wouldn't say it's waterproof. I wouldn't say it's really water resistant because I can tell by the nylon upper, the mesh upper, sorry, that it's gonna get some water in. But it's really, like I said, benefits really lightweight. 7.5 is a good fit. I'd say go true to size. Insole is really comfy as well. I'm really surprised. Really surprised. I would recommend you go buy a pair. Before I sign off, guys, I just want to give you a little word of advice. These don't come with another pair of laces. It only came with these red ones, but I think they're really cool. If you want to get some laces, go pick some up. I would have worn like a black pair of laces or white, but whatever takes your fancy. If you're buying yourself some laces, these red ones are really cool anyway. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.